Good morning, friends. How you all doing this morning? Yeah, I'm taking a walk like I usually do when I have the time, of course. And the weather is not so bright today. You know. Yeah, I just dropped the kids at school, so I dropped them at the bus station today. So they are taking the bus to school today. So I'm taking a walk in this beautiful nature. Yes, and I thought, okay, let me vlog myself today. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below. What do you do for sport? Me, I like taking a walk. That's my sport I do. Running and other kinds of sport, oh, I don't like so much. So yeah, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Julia and you are welcome. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to my channel. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you. So today I'll be taking you on how my day went. Let's see how it goes. Now I'm just going to take my morning walk. And yeah, I'll be showing you around the nature. It's really beautiful and peaceful. This morning there are not much people out, so yeah, during the day there are lots of people jogging, people with bicycle, and yes. The kids like coming here. We don't even know built this thing. Yeah, but it's fun. The kids come inside. Not only my kids does it, a lot of other kids they do it. Yeah. Here is my favorite spot. Yeah. At times I just come here and I sit a while. There's a bench there where you can sit. And yeah. So now I finished taking my bath. I'm going to be doing some groceries. I'm just going to be running in the shop and out. I'm not buying so much stuff, so that shouldn't be so long. So I'll see you guys later. I'm back from the shop, and these are the things that I got. Yeah, I just went to get a few things. So this is how I normally do it. I pack it on the counter rung here. Then I spray it with this disinfection spray. I like this one because it has a very nice smell. It doesn't have this hospital smell. So that's why I like using this one. And yes, all I do is I just spray it on the stuff on the top, not so close. Apart from this one, because it's packed with paper. This is flour, so I don't need to spray this one. It's packed in paper, so all I do is just take it out of the paper and it's okay. But these other ones, I just spray it down with the disinfection. Then I use this green cloth to wipe them up, to wipe each up, and then I put in the fridge. And the ones that belongs in the counter, I put in the cupboard. I put in the cupboard. Like this apple, I don't need to spray it. I just open it from the bag and put it in the bowl where I put it. So if anyone wants to eat, they just take one and wash and eat. And I love this one specifically because it's sweet and sour. I love the combination. Yes. So that's what I'll be doing now. And I bought them ice cream. Not every time going to the shop to get ice cream. At home we can use this one too, and it's very nice too. Capri-Sun, of course, kids, they love Capri-Sun, and of course me too, I love it. And the weather is really getting hot, so cold Capri-Sun is really, really nice. And yeah, I got this thing too. This one they always ask me for. It's a yogurt. And I think they are not really interested in the yogurt like that, because look at, they have this thing inside. Oh, let me take it out. I hope I don't bust out this yogurt. Anytime I buy some other kind of yogurt, they are like, no, we want this one. You know what this is? It's a stick. Let me see if I can open it. Oh, let me see if I can show you guys here. Yeah, it's a stick. Just push it in. I think I have to do it to explain it better. Okay, so I brought it out. It looks like this. It's like a spoon or whatever, I don't know what it's called. We have a lot of it now because I tend to buy it, and the kids want it just because of this. So they stick it in, and put in the freezer. So when it's blocked, it's like ice cream too. So that's what really interests them in that. And this always comes out when it's summertime. Yes, summer first. During the winter, they don't have the ones with this spoon. So that they really like. And yeah, I got it too. And yeah, so now I'm just going to be cleaning them out and putting them in their various spaces, and I'll see you guys later.